Hello guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping you'll decide to subscribe before the video is over. So I have my Laura Lee mystery box. Yes. Oh, and forgive me. It's bedtime and she came and I have no makeup on and I'm sorry, but this is like kind of important and exciting. So I wanted to like open it now. As opposed to waiting till tomorrow. So we're gonna do that and just apologize for all of this. Okay, so this was a $75. She had a few different ones. I think this is the smallest box. Okay, so I've got quite a bit of liquid lips, I guess. I don't know, we're gonna see. I do like her liquid lips. I've gotten a few of them before. Okay, let's see. I will put prices on the screen for you. Ooh, that is super pretty. Looks like one that I had, but she's like the nude queen. She loves nude stuff. So most of her stuff, I don't think they only did that one eyeshadow collaboration with Erin that was like color, and they didn't really stick out much or blend well. But anyhow, so the nude, she's more of a nude kind of person. Ooh, I'm pretty sure I have these. But hey, that's okay because they're gorgeous colors. All right, so number 3. Oh, I should have probably swatched them, huh? Oh, this one's kind of, I hope it's not old. All right, let's open her up. And we'll swatch this. I won't swatch the other ones because I'm pretty sure I have them, but there's that one. And I don't know if this is old or if it's just been sitting or what. I have no idea. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so we'll put that one over here. Now we've got, this is a different packaging. This is like a different type of, maybe it's a gloss or something. Let's see. Oh, what? It's a regular liquid lip. Did I get the same shades? Gold Rose, Spicy Pink, Blushing. What did this one say? Cabana. I know I have this one. All right. It's that one. And there's one more. This one, the shade name is Skimpy. Ooh, this is another one that it looks kind of messed up, but I'm sure it's probably fine. It's just been sitting. Okay, so, oh, that's a more of a pinky undertone. All right, cool. But these are all workable shades. That's what I mean. Like, she puts out shades that are workable. You could totally, pretty much any skin tone can wear them. All right, so wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 liquid lips. Moving on. Looks like we have a makeup bag. I do like her brushes too. Ooh, this is pretty. Let's see. Oh, it's one of these where it zippers and you have the little thing right here. Well, that's cool. Okay. Let's see what we got left. Ooh, 1, 2, 3 items. Okay. This here looks like a Z palette. So we'll open that first. Yep, that's exactly what she is. Very cool. Okay, and then we've got 2 items left. Looks like, ooh, wait a minute. No way. Okay, do you see why I did not want to put on makeup? I just wanted to open this. It's so exciting. What is this? Highlighter palettes. Oh my goodness. Glazed Lit Kit Bronzed by Laura Lee Los Angeles. Wow, okay. There's two. I'm so excited. This is so exciting to me. Okay. Here they are. Wow, super pretty. They have got, they're huge pans, and they've got shade names. Oh, very nice. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's that. It's medium to deep, it says on the back. So, but I am getting tan, so we'll be able to do this. Ooh, Yacht Club. You can also, a Yacht Club, it says. You can also use these for like an eyeshadow, you know, like a pop of color over top. So yeah, I'll definitely get use out of these. Yeah, wow, that's exciting. One item left. I don't have any of her nude eyeshadow palettes, I don't think. And this, I don't know, it might be too small for an eyeshadow palette. We'll see. I get so excited. Her stuff is very affordable. That's what I love about it. What are you? What are you? Whimsical Nudes! Isn't that one of her new palettes? Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with this. Well, I have to open it. I mean, but I'm sure I will be excited to play with it. Aw, yay! All right. Yes, I can totally deal with that. I am loving that. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is a dark, like navy called Moonless. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. Golden Blaze. Oh, I'm all right. I'm going to swatch this in a separate video, and I'm totally going to do an eye look. Okay, let's go back over everything I got. The Whimsical Nudes palette. So excited. The two highlighter palettes, and I may actually do a giveaway with one of those. We'll have to see. Then I got the Z palette, although I didn't get eyeshadows to go in it, but that's okay. It's a good marketing tactic, Laura. You know I'm going to have to order shadows now. Actually, you could probably put any magnetic shadows in here. All right, anyway, so, okay. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 liquid lips. I'm going to total this up and put the value on the screen. Tell me what you think. For 75 bucks, yeah, absolutely. I hope she does these more often. I really do love opening mystery boxes, and the value that you can get is absolutely amazing. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, guys. Tell me what you think of my box down in the comments, and I look forward to reading them, and I'll see you guys real soon in my next video.